Hello students, in this video we will learn deletion of last node in circular singly linked list. First we see logic, then we will write algorithm for it. Case 1 is when circular linked list is empty, that means value of last is equals to null. In that case we have to print no node to delete because we cannot perform delete operation on empty circular linked list. Case 2 is when circular linked list is not empty, that means value of last is not equals to null and contains single node. If there is single node in circular linked list, then the value of last link is equals to value of last. This condition shows that there is a single node in circular linked list. So in that case we have to store the address of this node into temporary node by writing temp equals to last link or temp equals to last, because both contains the same value. When we delete this node, the circular linked list will become empty. For that we have to store null value into last pointer. So after storing last equals to null, we delete this node by writing delete temp. So after deletion, value of last is equals to null. Case 3 is when circular linked list is not empty, that means value of last is not equals to null and having more than one nodes. We have given a circular linked list containing 3 nodes having values 10, 20 and 5, and we want to delete this last node. We have to make changes in this previous of last node. So we want address of this node. For that we have to traverse the linked list. So initially we store the address of first node into temporary pointer by writing temp equals to last link, because last link always contains the address of first node. But then we will repeat this loop until value of temp is not equals to last. That means we will traverse from first node to last node. If the condition is true, then we will move previous to temp and temp to temp link, because we write temp equals to last link. So temp is pointing to first node having address 700 and the value of last is 200, because the address of last node is 200. As both have different values, that means this condition is true. So what we have to do, we have to move previous to temp. Initially temp is here, so we have to move previous to this node and temp to temp link. Temp link is 500, that means we have to move the temp pointer to next node. Again we will check value of temp is 500 and the value of last is 200. Both are having different values, then this condition is true. So what we have to make, we have to move previous to temp and temp to temp link. That means now previous is pointing to node having address 500 and temp is pointing to node having address 200. In this case temp is also having value 200 and last is also having value 200. Temp is not equals to null, this condition is false. So loop will terminate. Now we have a pointer previous which is pointing to node which is previous to last node, and temp is pointing to last node which we want to delete. So what we have to do, we have to change the link part of this node by the address of this node, because after deletion of this node will become the last node, and we know that link part of last node will always point to the first node. So we have to update the link part of the previous node by link part of the temporary node. So we have to write previous link equals to temp link. That means now link part of the previous node contains 700. That means address of first node. Now what we have to do, we have to update the last pointer by the address of this node, because after deletion of this node will become the last node of this circular linked list, and the address of this node is stored in previous. So we have to write last equals to previous. As all pointers are updated, so now we can delete the last node by writing delete temp. So after deletion, circular linked list contains 2 nodes having value 10 and 20. This node is the last node of circular linked list and it is pointing to the first node of the circular linked list. Next is algorithm. First we have to write algorithm colon, name of algorithm is C delete underscore last. That means we are performing delete operation in circular linked list at last position. the parameter which is required is last, which is pointed to last node. Purpose of this algorithm is delete a node at last position in circular linked list. Step 1 is check for empty linked list. If the value of last is equals to null, that means there is no node available in circular linked list, so we have to print no node to delete and exit from the algorithm. But when the circular linked list is not empty and contains single node, we have to perform these steps, and I explained these steps in case 2. Step 3 is when circular linked list contains more than one node, then we have to perform these steps which I explained you in case 3. Finally, we have to free the memory of last node pointed by temp by writing delete temp, and step 5 is end. In next video, we will learn deletion of a specific location node from circular singly linked list. Thank you.